Hello and welcome back to another episode of ERP Industry Insights. And today we are diving into how vendor scorecards can help switch manufacturers achieve 10 to 12% procurement ROI improvements. Well, in an industry where cost pressure, supply dependencies, and production deadlines are non negotiable, procurement efficiency can make or break your profitability. Switch manufacturing operates in a high volume, cost sensitive environment, and procurement forms a major portion of overall expenses. And yet, it is where inefficiencies often go unnoticed. So, let's see some common challenges that include, for example, unreliable or inconsistent suppliers, rising raw material prices, delivery delays disrupting production schedules, and limited visibility into the vendor performance. Now, these challenges are directly eating into your return on investment, thereby leaving procurement teams reactive instead of strategic. Most of the manufacturers still rely on price first vendor selection. While it lowers immediate purchase costs, the hidden impact is significant. That is, poor quality, high rework rates, late deliveries, and even stockouts. On top of that, manual processes create fragmented vendor data. Without a consolidated system to track performance, manufacturers are struggling to make proactive decisions. And this is where the ERP system steps in. Now, the ERP system basically enables organizations to track vendor performance systematically with scorecards. Now, these scorecards measure each KPI, such as on time delivery, defect rates, lead time accuracy, cost competitiveness, responsiveness, and communication. By monitoring these metrics, Swiss manufacturers are able to identify reliable suppliers, negotiate smart contracts with data driven insights, reduce excess stock by trusting vendor performance, and build stronger collaborative supplier relationships. Now, let's see why Odoo ERP stands out. So, when we talk about Odoo ERP basically provides a robust vendor scorecard framework. With its integrated purchase, inventory, and quality modules, Odoo enables you to automate vendor evaluation across multiple KPIs. You get real time dashboards that are displaying supplier performance. You'll be able to basically classify your vendors like preferred, approved, or at risk. You also get automated alerts when a vendor underperforms. Now, this transforms procurement into a data driven, transparent, and ROI focused function. Now, let's take some ROI gains and let me explain them now. Now, you get around 10 to 12% ROI improvement that basically comes from reducing defective components that directly compensates fewer rework and warranty costs, faster procurement cycles by minimizing the downtime. You have lower inventory costs thanks to the supplier reliability, and you have better vendor collaboration. That is due to the fact that you are leading to discounts and innovation opportunities. Now, let's consider a real world example. So, we have this mid sized switch manufacturer basically that adopts Odoo ERP vendor scorecards. And within a year, they have reduced their supplier base by 25%, focusing on only high performing vendors or the suppliers. They have lowered procurement costs significantly and boosted their return on investment by 12%. And they have also strengthened vendor collaboration, enabling a faster launch of new switch product ahead of the competitors. And lastly, to wrap this up, vendor scorecards are not just a procurement tool. They are a strategic lever for the profitability in switch manufacturing. With ERP and especially with Odoo ERP, manufacturers are able to gain the transparency and control they need to maximize their ROI. So, if you're a switch manufacturer that is basically aiming to optimize their procurement, reduce risks, and achieve measurable ROI improvements, then you must explore how Odoo ERP can transform your vendor management. To know more, just drop us an email at sales@the-rate of apogen.com.